Alright, now we're going to do domain and range. So when I look at the domain of my graph, I'm looking at the x values. So any x value that I can plug in and give me an output, that will work. So if I plug in -3, it touches my graph, so it would count. And because of these arrows, it means my graph is going to continue going to the right, and it will continue going to the left. So that means all of my x values from -infinity to infinity will be included in the domain. Range are the y values. So as I check my y-axis, if I look, 1 works, it touches my graph right there with a closed dot. 0 works, 1 works, it keeps going. It will always touch my graph in this direction, so if it keeps going down, it's going to go to -infinity. So when I write my interval notation, it goes from -infinity all the way up to +1. Now, because there's a closed dot and that point is on 1, 1 is included in our interval notation. Okay, let's try another one. Domain are my x values. I have arrows, which mean my graph will continue going to the right and it will continue going to the left. So all of these x values are going to be true from -infinity to infinity. My range, as I scan, if I want to look at it this way, as I scan up my graph, -infinity is up here, +infinity is on the top. As I scan, my graph does not touch -infinity, it touches 1. And as it continues to go up, my arrows are going to touch the +infinity. So the 1 would be included, infinity, you can't contain it, you don't know where it stops, it's going to keep going, so we have the parenthesis.